In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your domain name with your Wix website. First of all, let's view my website. Go to edit the site. Make sure that your everything is good to go basically. As you can see, here's my Wix site. And it's good to go for me. I'm gonna click on publish on the top right corner. You see now, I'm gonna be able to actually connect my own branded domain name. Let's go ahead and click on done. Click cancel as I don't want to actually edit these for the home. And I will go here and search for actually the following. Connect my domain name, which is right here. Click on connect. Connect the domain name I already own. And if you don't find this, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to find it from just here by searching connect domain. As you can see, domains, my domain. Click on domains and get and manage site domains. I'll go back right here, and as you can see, it's actually paid. But I can actually guide you through the whole process. It's a pretty simple process. So if we go back, we are going to be prompted with something called a name server. We're going to copy this name server and we're going to head to the place that we own our domain name. Right here, what I'm going to do is just simple. I'm going to go to my domain name in Namecheap. For example, GoDaddy, it doesn't really matter. And then I'm going to search for advanced DNS. I'm going to click on name servers and click on custom servers. And then apply the custom name server that they actually provide me with. Go to the domain after doing the advanced DNS, head to the name servers and actually set a custom domain name right here. For example, it's going to be something that looks like this. As you can see, an S1, Wix.com for example, and S2 for example. You're going to paste those two right here and then head to the advanced DNS. Make sure that you did what I just showed you. And that's basically it, you guys. Then head back to your Wix page and make sure that your domain names actually act. And that's basically it. Goodbye.